Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great, safe day in the fun pandemic world. I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. And if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Alright, so has anyone ever seen if seal is broken, check contents before accepting? So I've never seen that, but who knows. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Got my blade. Alright. Alright, this is from Cheryl, my essay. She's pretty nice. Louis isn't open, either is Chanel. You have to have an essay to help you out with orders, but hopefully they'll be opening soon, but you never know. Alright, so we're in. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, they package it up pretty nice. Alright, got some samples. Alright, got my receipt. It's in a little package like that. And she gave me a shopping bag. So that was pretty nice. Thanks, Cheryl. Oh, got another sample. Alright, lots of bubble wrap. Alrighty. Alright, I think we're good. Alright, let's see here. We got Lamison, that's for men, so that's for Ted. I don't know if it's going to focus. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Alright, and that's the new one, the Herrings, I think is the way it's pronounced.
Yeah.
Can't focus it. And this one is the Sun Song. So those are the... She gave me 3 samples, so that was nice. 1 for hubby and 2 for me. So that's cool. So thanks, Cheryl. And she wrapped it up really nice. I got a bow and it's the travel that goes in this here. So that's my sprayer. Real super easy to use. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I got ribbon. I got some paper. All right. And this one is the LP0156. If you're interested in that, and it's the 4x7 5mm travel pack, and they just had a rate increase. These were $155, now they're $165. Which is still good because you get 4 and they do last for a long time, so. But yeah, that's that cool paper. And it's the CCEUR Battant, I believe. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Oh, maybe. Kind of get the idea. All right, let's go ahead and open it up and see what it smells like. All right, maybe we can see it without. Yeah, there we go. Kind of get an idea. All right, cool. All right, so basically it opens like that. And you get a little refill, travel refill that fits in this. There we go. That focuses a little bit better. And even after they're done, you can reuse these little pouches, basically. Okay, and you just unscrew it. And this is the refill. You get 4. Okay, and you just take one out, basically. And you just unpop it, and there's a little hole there. And you unscrew the bottom. This is almost done. Okay, and you just pop it in like that. And you screw this in the bottom. And you pop the top. And you spray. And you only need a couple sprays that last for about 4 to 6 hours. This smells really good. Here, smell this one.
Oh yeah.
That smells really good. All right, so that's my travel refill for today from Louis. All right, we got a few samples, so my husband's gonna love that. He's gonna try that later. And if you guys want any reviews on anything that I've shown, please let me know. And I'm also have a request for my Fendi Monsters. So I'm going to be doing a review video on my Fendi Monsters. And I'll probably be showing my vintage Epi black bucket bag in the GM size. That works really good for bag charms. So look forward to that later on this week. And I hope everybody's having a great fun time in the pandemic. I hope things will be opening up soon, but in Canada, probably not for a long time. So next, we're supposed to be wearing masks when we go outside. So we'll see how that works out. All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.